Welcome back, YouTubers, to MassageWise. Today we're going to be having another video for newbies into the massage industry. And today it's just going to be a rather short video. We're going to talk about something that all of us have to kind of get used to once we've gone from any other industry to the massage industry through the interviewing process. This is what you are going to expect. So we're going to start out with, first and foremost, if you are new to this channel, welcome! We do videos specifically giving information to new massage therapists and clients or potential clients who are looking into getting massage therapy work done, be it going to a retreat, either that or it's through your physical therapist's office, through a chiropractor's office. This is to help you get an idea of how the industry works for clientele, so there's less surprise. And if you are new, hit that like button if you like this content, subscribe and hit that bell, and you can view more content on our channel, MassageWise. I said this would be a short video, and it's probably going to be one of the shortest ones on the channel. So, first and foremost, everybody's used to the interviewing process where you've had to fill out an application, then you get a call, and you schedule it, and the scheduled interview occurs. They ask you those interviewing questions, and then you are done. But with the massage industry, you're going to have a set of questions that are specific to the industry standards. For instance, you will have a question asked of what's your limit, or how many clients can you get services done in for a day. Most people don't really understand just how physically taxing a massage is. And that is just a simple Swedish massage that can be really exhausting. A 1-hour massage, head to toe, doing all of the massage strokes on the body, doing a full workup, not a lot of pressure, light to medium, matter of factly, head to toe, back to front. It can be exhausting. In massage school, I know that at best, there was 2 parts of the day towards the end. After you completed the first half of the schooling, learning how to do a massage head to toe, back to front, you hit internship. And with internship, you get exposed to more than 1 to 2 clients a day. Now, depending on how the school does the internship, you get maybe 4 to 5 clients in that internship time. Now, in the real world, you're going to have to put into context your experience. So if you're fresh from school, the only real life experience that you plausibly have, if you were lucky enough, would be to have a school attached to a spa, like I did. You have clients that ask for different things. So they will ask for a 30-minute, they will ask for a 1 hour, they will ask for an hour and a half, or they will ask for 2 hours. And so this helps acclimate you to your profession. This is what's going to really happen in the real world. They're going to ask you for varying times. You're going to have to learn how to keep your eye on the time, and you're going to have to learn how much you can do in a day. Now, you can Iron Man it and push it, but your body's going to burn out because at that point, if you're pushing it like an Iron Man, you're burning the candle at both ends. So when they ask you your limit, you have to realize you have to listen to what your body says, because this is going to be the only way you're making money in this industry. Unless, of course, you go from doing massage therapy to being behind the counter or management. So once you have that number in mind, we'll say 6. Typically in the industry, you get a 1-hour lunch break. So they could easily set it up to 2 to 3 clients before your lunch break and 3 to 4 clients after your lunch break. This is the easy part, and it's the easiest part to memorize. So once that limit is stated, then it's very similar in the spoken terms to a regular job interview. What days do you want to open? The next portion is, because these things come in 3 stages. You have the paperwork and verbal interview. Then you have what is called a practical, meaning somebody on the staff or one of the other therapists on staff are going to be put onto a table, and you will have to perform a massage. This is so that they get a taste of your actual skill. And while you went through massage school, there's no guarantee that you're actually good at massage. You might have gotten praise from everybody in your area, but when you actually go into a professional setting, you need more education, or you need to reassess your basic skills. They ask for a full body massage in an hour. It's really simple. There's no specificity to it. It's just, giving a massage. And then the last step is if they like you, they'll have to do a background check on you. Really simple. And it can take place all in 1 day or 2 days. And this is how massage industries differ from others. The several-step interviewing process actually helps them to weed out the massage therapists they don't want in their spa for lack of skill or bad tableside manner. So how do you prepare for a practical? You want to actually show your very best skills, but you have to also put into perspective what they're actually asking. So, for those of you going into your first practical, here's some helpful tips. 1, do not overcomplicate the massage. They're asking for a taste of your skills. They're not asking for the totality of everything that you can do. And depending on what school you went to, it could include Reiki, it could include trigger point, it could include like 9 or 10 other things. Keep it simple. Prove to your potential future employer that you have skill and that you can perform under a time limit. This is the easiest steps to remember. Number 2, make sure that you are aware of body mechanics, both yours and the person you're working on. People will give out cues that they are uncomfortable, and this is to simulate a client that is not going to be working with you. And anybody in this industry that's been in it for at least a year will have probably at least ran into one client that does not communicate. And it's on my tips for a better massage that communication is important. So, what do? Well, in school, what did you do when you ran into it? Most of the time, I'd say, you're going to have to remember that at any one time, you're going to either have to learn how to read the body or you're going to have to tap out, because you try to muscle through it and just finish the time, they're going to complain about you. If you're concerned about your safety, whether this person has a mental health issue and they may be having an episode, remember it's federally mandated that at any time the client can call an end to the session, but also the therapist. If the therapist believes the situation has become unsafe, you have the right as a therapist to call the end of the session saying, hey, I don't believe this is safe for me. I don't believe it's safe for you. I think it is best for both parties if I just put the drape back on whatever part of you that I have exposed and leave the room. And the third part that you're going to have to remember is there is a distinct difference between utilizing lotion properly and absolutely basting your person. I've had 1 or 2 clients, mostly very, 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 very hairy men, where there's the concern about pulling on that body hair. I have nothing against men with body hair. I will work on clients all day long with body hair. But there's going to be a bit of a basting effect, especially if you have a dense population of body hair in any one area. I don't want to be yanking on your body hair because that's not comfortable. And I will not use lotion. I will go straight to the oil for this instance. So for your practical, you're probably going to want to make sure that you're utilizing a medium appropriate to your client. So if you're working on a female that doesn't have body hair, lotion or gel is great. If you're working on a male that does have body hair, I would recommend oil and be liberal with it. Pay attention to the textures on your hand to make sure that the skin is properly covered and you've got good slide to it. Because if you don't, you're going to be pulling on those hairs, and that's not good for anybody. If you do all of those tips and you are on your best behavior, you should be able to absolutely get through an interviewing process within this massage industry. Try to be balanced. Don't go in there excited. Maintain calm tranquility. Think about your answers and try to answer as best as you can. And that is all I got for you today. So, like I said before, if you guys are new to this channel and you like this content, I have more videos on my channel, MassageWise, for new therapists. And if you are a client or potential client to the massage therapy industry, I have videos specifically for you guys too. Check out MassageWise, and I have at least 9 or 10 of them specifically for helping you guys understand more of this massage industry. If you like it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and we'll see you again later.